resolving the situation. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a dust storm warning for northeastern Logan County in central Illinois, Hyde County in central Illinois, Darrett County in central Illinois, Vermilion County in east central Illinois, McLean County in central Illinois, Champaign County in east central Illinois, northeastern Macon County in central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., blowing dust was reported across east central Illinois, resulting in near zero visibility. Hazard, near zero visibility. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 8. Interstate 55 between mile markers 137 and 187. Interstate 57 between mile markers 218 and 257. Interstate 72 between mile markers 149 and 182. Interstate 74 between mile markers 124 and 219. Locations impacted include Champaign, Bloomington, Normal, Urbana, Danville, Rentoul, Clinton, Monticello, Peston, Savoy, Mahomet, St. Joseph, Leroy, Georgetown, Tolono, Westville, Highworth, Chilton, Lexington, and Catlin. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. There is no safe place on a highway when a dust storm hits. Visibility can be lost immediately, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the dust storm arrives.